What is up YouTube, IDM here, and welcome back to another iOS 15 video. So I kind of discovered this on my own, I guess, and I thought it was pretty freaking cool, so I'm going to share it with you guys. Now iOS 15 comes with the new feature called Focus. Now I did do an independent video on how Focus works, but basically it lets you choose or create kind of your own Do Not Disturb mode. And it basically lets you filter certain contacts and applications to be allowed to give you notifications. The cool part with Focus is that you can choose certain home screen pages to be displayed as well. Now when you create these in these settings, you can basically enable all contacts and all applications to be able to still send you notifications, but as you switch these Focus setups, it'll change your home screen. And for those of you that are like me that are into the no jailbreak customization stuff, I know a lot of people hate on that, and that's fine. You can hate it all you want. For those of you that are strictly only for jailbreak or nothing at all. But for those of you that I know are into this, you know, a lot of the people in iHeaven are really into this kind of stuff. So I figured I would show you guys how it works. And I think it's really freaking cool. So if we go ahead and drop down on Control Center, I can change my focus to the Inca setup. And as you guys will see, my icons are completely different. So these are the Inca icons, and as you guys can see, my home screen has changed. I can do this again. We'll switch from Inca to the Vibe icons, just like that. This can also be expanded upon, and I will probably be doing more follow-up videos with this on how to get it set up and get even crazier with it. But you can automate certain things to happen when you go into these modes. So with that being said, you can, you know, automate in shortcuts when you go into the Vibe theme to maybe set a certain wallpaper, or also run a shortcut like weather HTML. So you could really get specific with how this will change your setup. And you can bypass the contacts notifications and also the application notifications. And I'll kind of show you guys how to do that. So let me switch out of this one here. And I'm going to go ahead and hop into settings. And I'm just going to do this to give you an idea of what you can do with it. So we'll go into Focus. And of course, this is in iOS 15 Beta 1, so this may evolve over time. Just make sure you're subscribed so you're not missing out. But what we're going to do is create a new focus. I'm just going to call it Custom. I'm going to just put some random letters in here. We'll just make it AAA so it's at the top. I'll make it some color I haven't done yet, maybe like red, and I don't know, I guess books or something. And this is just, like I said, for demonstration purpose. So we'll do next here. So this is where it asks you which people do you want to allow notifications from. So you choose which contacts can still have notifications come through. So if you want all of your contacts to be able to notify you, you can go through your contacts and just enable all of them. So you can do it that way. So I'm just going to click this. And then also here's the same thing for notifications from apps. I'm going to show you guys a quick little tip here. You can drag your finger across these. So if you don't want to sit here and click all of them, it's still a little time consuming, but you can basically just go through and you can just allow notifications from all the applications. So basically it doesn't, you know, silence any kind of notifications. Then we can click done, and then we will allow those applications. I'll allow that. And now this is where we can customize this for a setup. You go to home screens, and then you can do custom pages. You choose your page, and I'm going to go ahead and choose this page, and I'm going to click done. Okay, so now we have this set up essentially. So what I'm going to do is exit out, and actually what I'll do now is go to Focus, and I'm going to go ahead and choose the AAA one that I just created, and you guys will see my home screen changed. Now I have a cool kind of theme in here that I called iOS 15. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, there we go. So I quickly got the icons situated. I threw a widget there as well to show you that this allows you to switch essentially between setups. So as you can see, this is a one-page setup, and that's all you got to do. You can go back into Focus. You can turn that setup off to go back to your daily setup or whatever it might be, or you can switch to a different setup like Inca if you want to change the icons again. I think this is really interesting. Wanted to make a video on it for you guys. Of course, if I find any ways of expanding upon this or making it crazier, I definitely will be doing updated videos. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this pretty cool feature of iOS 15. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.